Hello, today I'm making coffee and using a French press container. You've seen these in big forms. This is a little one for a cup, about 8 to 12 ounce size. And you can always fill it up more for the 12-ounce size. And I use filtered water and I pour it into my hot pot. And I like to have it boiling so it's at the 200-degree temperature. This is a cool hot pot for making boiling water or hot water. This one has for oolong tea, green tea, different temperatures. And what I'm using today is organic Think coffee. Now, it might freak you out a little bit because it's made of mushroom extract. It does not taste like earthiness or mushrooms, but mushrooms are beneficial to our health. And I saw on YouTube a man called Paul Stamets. He helped save his mother's life for a little bit using mushrooms. He grows them. He has many books. This one is made with lion's mane and chaga for focus and energy. And then it has different degrees of caffeine. You have decaf, regular, and high caffeine. This one is a regular caffeinated coffee. It's a dark roast. It has notes of dark chocolate, very similar to the Starbucks Pike Place. And if you want to know how to measure, some people have never made coffee in a French press or coffee in general. It's usually 1 tablespoon, this kind of a scoop. Put it into the French press. And then you pour the boiling water in. And I like it boiled, even though it's filtered. I like it hot. I want the flavors to steep. And then you're going to put this with the screen part facing the spout just on the top. Let it steep for about 3 minutes. So it's been about 3 minutes. Now you're going to push down the press slowly and evenly. And what happens is the grounds are going to be at the very bottom. And there is a screen with another screen as a filter. So you don't get any into your cup. Now, you pour it in your cup. If you like a darker roast, you let it set longer. But this is considered a dark roast. And that's your French press coffee. Now, for a latte, you take almond milk, whole milk, or coconut milk. I prefer the almond milk. And you warm it up in a pan, and you pour it in a jar that has been rinsed out with hot water. This way the jar isn't going to crack. I use a mason jar. And you shake the heck out of it. Make sure the lid's on tight. And that's why I have a towel under here, because I'm doing it with one hand. If you have a machine, that's great. If you don't, this is why I'm showing you this. It's a trick I learned from my older sister. She told me just put the milk into a jar until it foams up. A little bit of foam. Put it on the top. There's a whole other video of how to learn how to make designs, but you kind of have to have a lot of foam. But you get the idea. I'm doing a small amount because I'm doing a small cup. If you don't want a latte, just pour the milk in if you take milk. I usually drink it black. I prefer cinnamon. This is Ceylon cinnamon. It's grown in over there in Ceylon. And it really, the earth makes herbs so much better. Take a pinch, put it on the top. And that's how you make a French press coffee and a mock latte using a jar that you heated up milk or coconut milk. That is really nice. Shake it and put the foam on the top or just pour it in. Oh, that's great. The cinnamon makes it. So give that mushroom coffee a try. You don't taste mushrooms. It's only beneficial for you for mental focus and energy. It's made with lion's mane and chaga. And I don't promote any particular product that I've used for money. I promote it because I like it. And thank you for watching.